Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Amir Fatani from Aheed Enterprises, Beria Town, Karachi. Today, I will take you to Narkens Boutique and Residency to give you the latest updates. And then I will give you all the details. So follow me. I will take you to Narkens Boutique site and give you the latest construction updates. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. So you see the construction work, Alhamdulillah, is going on. It's in full swing now. And I will give you a bit detail that Alhamdulillah, the builders are Narkens builders. They already committed before with Hillcrest Residency. Mashallah, the Hillcrest Residency is completed now and going to be possession in February. It means next month, 2025. So, Alhamdulillah, this construction work of Narkens Boutique is going on in full swing, and inshallah, in 2027, this project will be completed also. So, this is the right time to invest, make some down payment, and get an installment for 2.5 to 3 years. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum. My numbers is on the screen. For further information, for further details, please contact me. The numbers is on the screen. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.